Tuko na crate ya nyanya kwa bedroom.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know what time you're watching this video, but thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you're keeping safe. And today I'm back again with another interesting video. Kama kawaida, you guys. So first of all, I know today I look like, I don't know, I don't have any makeup on. Yup, my eyebrows. Yeah, so as you have read the title of the video, today I'm doing a bedroom tour for you guys. So the reason as to why I'm doing a bedroom tour is this. Hey guys, so the reason as to why I'm doing this makeover is because of Alfie. In the beginning of the year, we wrote down our goals for the year 2020, and he had 3 goals and I had 6 goals. So he has achieved 2 of his goals. Amebakisha moja. So let me show you guys his goal. So this is the list of the goals. My goals for 2020, his goals for 2020. You can see Alfie and Agatha there. Here are the 3 goals. He's achieved 2 of them, and then imebaki moja. So his that goal is to buy Matandiko. In case you don't, I don't know the English name for this, but Matandiko ni or in Kimeru we call them rotara. Matandiko is the wood or metallic piece that is used to hold on the mattress in the bed. So guys, it's the night that I'm editing the video, and I just remembered that I didn't tell you guys exactly why he wrote down the goal of changing the Matandiko. It's because the time we bought this bed, the matandikos that were there were not in good shape, so we swapped them with our previous bed, matandiko. So the previous bed had 2 matandikos, like they were half, 2 halves. So when we placed them on this bed, it was slightly shorter, so they were like overlaying. So one of the matandikos was on top of the other. So every time we're sleeping, we're always like slanting. And when you go to bed when you're tired, you wake up when it's worse. You're more tired when you wake up. It's that bad. It's that bad. So he's been saying the whole year, "Mi nanunua matandiko." Like every time he comes home when he's very tired, he wakes up when he's absolutely exhausted and it's worse. And then he leaves the house saying, "Mi nanunua matandiko, mi narudi nayo, walai narudi nayo." And nothing ever happens. So it's been the whole year, and that's the only goal that he has left, and the others were pretty major, and I'm glad that he's achieved them. So I thought I could help him, and so I thought I could help him achieve this goal. So that is why I am doing this makeover. So when you walk in, you immediately find the bed, which is here, plus the wall. So I painted this wall white. I'm feeling embarrassed. I feel like my hand doesn't want to go up to show you guys the rest of the room. So I had painted this part up to here. And boom! That's the rest of the bedroom. I feel so embarrassed right now. I feel so embarrassed. Let me switch on the lights so that you can see well. So that's the rest of the bedroom. That is how bad it is. Imagine, rangi ilituishia hapa. Like you see that line? That's where the paint iliishia. And then I was like, wacha ikae, I just wanted a background for me to record. So this is as far as you guys see. So there's that big ugly patch. Very ugly patch. And then moving closer, you can see how Alfie stores his stuff. So we have this over here. Ebona hapa juu. Ebo, look at the table. So this table, at least, okay, I need to put this phone on silent for a minute Sorry, so you can see his stuff is everywhere, so I just cleaned it up kidogo, and it's this good because he's not around, so you can see hizi vitu zote. Like, look at all this stuff, guys. Look at all this. Let me show you guys some more. There's that, and this is what I hate the most. Ebu oneni, this ugly box for storage. So what you have inside are, I don't know what this is even doing here. Look at his notebook in his stuff. Okay, guy, you guys, look at this. Cables. His cables everywhere. Ndio hii stand yangu ya kurecord my phone holder. Oh my god, guys, look at this. So this is how bad it is. So I need to sort this out. And then it's like it's not absolutely full, because when he went on the business trip he carried some more items. And then here we have his decks. He's a part-time DJ, in case you didn't know. So we have his decks over here. So this is like his office space and his practicing area. So I want to revamp this whole place. I also want to repaint the whole room, and I also want to make a seat. So I want to make like this a full pretty nice office setup and get storage for this stuff, all this stuff. Hatujamalizana na vitu zake. Yeah, so from this office corner we have the curtains here, the window and the curtains. And then I love these curtains. They are like 5 years old. I bought them 5 years ago and they are in perfect state. Hazijachipuka, hazijatoka na uzi. These are blackout curtains, so it's totally dark even if it's sunny outside. Imagine. So after that we have the wardrobe, and then down there I've stored a few DIY items, paint, leftover paints, wood glue, etc. So I'm not going to talk much about this because I can't change anything, not unless I put a wallpaper on it. Here you have the shoe rack, and then up there I've put a few of my stuff, also with storage there. And then next, after the shoe rack, tuko na crate ya nyanya kwa bedroom. You guys, we have a crate for nyanya in the bedroom, and his extra bag, a key box here. Sasa we have more tools here. This is a stand. These are the guy, isn't him a crimp? And he was looking for this crimping tool and nyundo. Okay, you guys, can you see how bad this room is? And more of his stuff over here. Here we have the drill bits in this box. Okay, hey, can you imagine having a key crate kia nyanya in the bedroom? Like, this is so bad, so bad. Hey guys, so that is how bad this bedroom looks, and I need to give it a revamp. I need to do something about this bedroom. So Alfie traveled on Tuesday, and then Wednesday, which is yesterday, I went to Kamukunji to buy a few items. So the things that I want to change about this room, first of all, it's this shoe rack. This is just a story for another day. What you ordered versus what you get. Hey, it may happen here. So I want to get rid of this. I need to come up with a very good storage space as I declutter the items that he doesn't use. I'm going to be repainting the whole bedroom as well. I'm also going to be getting rid of this and that portrait. I don't know, I think this portrait should move to my daughter's room because it was basically her work. It's her portrait. I'm going to be changing the beddings as well, and then I want to make a very, very nice modern office setup. Let me switch off the ring light. Sorry guys. So I want to make a very, very nice office setup over here. So can you imagine that when he's working, sometimes he rents out his DJ equipment. So when he's working and the DJ equipment zimeenda, they're out for hire, he stands when he's working. So I need to come up with something good over here. Storage space, because I need to get rid of this ugly box. Sort his storage iko hapa. Like today it's looking pretty because he's not around. When he's around, ustakajua. Yeah, so those are my plans.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone,
Thank you, really good.
'cause you never show.
Good.
You say you will.
You're going to break them.
I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy.